Protecting the health of inmates and staff is a top priority here at the Greene County Prison, with concern over the possible spread of infectious viruses along with normal seasonal respiratory illnesses such as the flu and common cold, along with bacterial infections such as MRSA. Proper cleaning and disinfecting of high-touch surfaces, including tables, is very important. It is a responsibility of all correctional officers to make sure that cleaning and disinfecting is done properly. To ensure efficiency, always have products ready to complete tasks, including personal protection equipment such as gloves, BioClean solid disinfectant diluted into spray bottle, microfiber or disposable cloths. BioClean is always mixed properly through solid dilution dispenser. OSHA regulations require spray bottles to always be labeled properly.
Two, one.
Because of high usage every day, tables can be a breeding ground for germs, including bacteria and viruses. When using a spray and wipe system, allow for proper dwell time. The longer a surface stays wet, the more germs that are destroyed. If possible, spray a number of surfaces before starting wiping procedures. This will help achieve required dwell time. Always fold cloth and flip occasionally to ensure a clean side. The goal of cleaning is to remove germs, not spread. Try to wipe in one direction. The swipe method can also be used. Cloths should be changed periodically to eliminate spreading of germs. Disinfectant level can be verified by using pH test strips. You can immerse strip in solution for 2 seconds. Color change should be to a fair shade of green, around 600 parts per million. And please remember that here at the Greene County Prison, we always clean for health first.